Tonight we're in Moorpark at America's Teaching Zoo, known to the locals as Moorpark Zoo. That's what it was when I was a kid. For Wild Lights and Jungle Nights, their holiday light festival. Tonight was opening night. It was a value night, and it is sold out. So if you want to come, get your tickets early, because the nights will sell out. It is part of the Exotic Animal Training Management Program, EATM, here at Moorpark College, that teaches students to interact with wildlife and animals. And a lot of the students end up at like Universal Studios, Animal Actors. They always mention EATM and Moorpark College at the beginning of that show. My buddy David and I were out at Busch Gardens in Tampa, and we were talking to some of the animal handlers, and they went to Moorpark College. They were from here in LA, Simi and Fillmore, I believe. So students from here end up all over the world working with animals at theme parks, zoos, aquariums, you name it. So very excited to attend this event. We did it last year, had a really good time. It's a smaller zoo, but they do have quite a few animals. Most of them asleep probably tonight, but the enclosures are very close to the walkway, so you may actually see more animals here than you would at Zoo Lights at LA Zoo for that event. So again, a smaller event, local, a lot of fun, relatively inexpensive. So if you want to come on out, get your tickets. We'll put a link to the tickets down in the description. Let's head into America's Teaching Zoo here at Moorpark College. Ho, ho, ho. What's this one's name?
Poppy.
Poppy. So cute. Poppy the hedgehog. Oh my gosh, look at her. Huh. Mr. Softy ice cream. If you know me, I love this Mr. Softy. Comes with free chocolate sprinkles. Ho, ho, ho. So the reptile classroom is open to come in. There's some reptiles I've never heard of. A skinks? I have no idea what that is. But I'm not a reptileologist. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button with the notification bell turned on. And you can follow us on social media at the Funnel Cake Blog on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. It looks like I'm somewhere deep in the jungle. It's actually just wallpaper. I'm really in Moorpark.
ho, ho.